Welcome to today's class, children. This is Spoken English, lesson 42. In this class, you are going to learn some daily usage sentences. Let's move to the class with the word of the day. Today's word is lift, meaning rise to a higher position or level. Example sentence: he lifted his trophy over his head. Synonym: raise. Lift means raising something from its position. Is known as lift. Okay. Usually you lift your hands in the classroom, isn't it? Let us learn the other meaning. Lift means it's a platform or compartment housed in a shaft for raising and lowering people or things to different levels. Example: Rocky went up to the second floor in the lift. Synonym: elevator. Usually you see this type of lift in the shopping malls. Let's move to the class. When someone arrives to your home, other may ask, when did he come? If you are answerable, you can say, he just arrived. If the person came just then, you can say, he just arrived. He just arrived. Next one. If you feel sleepy, if you are feeling sleepy and if you can't control your sleep, if you feel drowsy, you can say, I want to sleep. Here the baby wants to sleep. I want to sleep means I can't listen to your words anymore. I have to sleep. You are feeling sleepy. Okay. Let us move to next one. Some children may feel shy to speak with unknown person, a strange person, usually to the guest. So the guest will ask the children to speak with them. So how will they ask the child to speak with them? Talk to me. Talk to me means let us have some conversation among us. Okay. Talk to me means utter some words to me. Okay. Let's move to next one. In holidays, usually your mothers prepare some delicious dishes. While you are asking, what's today's special? Your mother may say, I have prepared delicious food for you. I have prepared delicious food for you. Okay. Let us move to next one. When someone is in danger or needy or asking for help, how do they ask? If you are in that place, if you are available in that place, but you are standing without helping them, they will ask you, come and help me. Come and help me. Come and help me means you have to help them. Okay. Next one. When someone is asking to visit their home, usually first time they may call you simply, you please come. If it is necessary, if it is compulsory, they may say, you must come. You must come means there is no other chance to escape from that. Okay. Must means compulsorily. Okay. Next one. Usually grandparents visit their grandchildren and the grandchildren ask them to stay with them for some more days. They can ask, please stay here for some more days. Please stay here for some more days. Stay here for some more days means they want to spend some time with them again. Okay. When we are meeting a new person, a strange one, if he is unknown to you and you want to start the conversation, when you want to get the permission to talk them, you can ask, may I speak to you? May I speak to you? May I speak to you means you are getting the permission to speak with the person. Okay. When you want someone to close the door, you can order them, shut the door. Shut the door. Instead of saying close the door, you can say shut the door. Okay. Hope you understand, children. Practice the sentences in your spoken. Okay? Let us meet in the next class. Until be safe and be happy. Goodbye.